Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw Batso from Fortnite. So, to start off with Batso, we want to begin with his body. So, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a nice big circle that goes around. So, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a circle shape right around here. And I'm going to leave a little bit of space right there. Now, let's begin with his face. So he has some really big eyes. So I'm going to start off by drawing a big circle right here for one eye. And then I'm going to draw a big circle right here for the other eye. Then inside of here, a little bit towards the bottom, I'm going to draw another circle. And then I'm going to draw a smaller circle, and I'm just going to color in a little bit. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to draw a circle inside, and then another circle inside here, and then just kind of color in a little bit. Now for the mouth. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a really big smiley face. Comes all the way to here. Then I'm going to draw another really big smiley face underneath it. And then I'm going to draw some teeth in there. So I'm just going to make a little triangle pattern like this for the teeth. And now let's add some more details. So he's wearing some headphones. So first I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to make a little oval shape like this. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Then I'm going to draw a little bit smaller oval shape on the end of here. And then I'm going to draw half of one over here. Then I'm just going to draw a line that curves around and then comes back to here. And then I'm going to draw another line that curves up, and as I come around here, I'm going to slowly get a little bit skinnier like that. Now, on top of the headphones, I'm going to put two little horns. So I'm going to put one right there, and then I'm going to put one over here. And then I'm going to make some wings. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up. And then it's just going to go down like this. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then curves up, down again, and then it's going to curve all the way to here. Then in here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and down for one part of the wing. Then I'm going to go up and then down for another part. And then I'm going to go up and then all the way down to here for that last part. Then I'm going to add a little curved line right there. Now, starting over here, I'm going to draw a line that curves around like this for the other wing. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes out like this. Then I'm going to curve up and down again, and then up one more time. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then down for one part of the wing, then up and down for the other part, and then up and down for that last part. Now for the little legs. So first, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down and then up like this. Then I'm going to draw a little line that curves around and then just comes back like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that curves down and up like this. And then draw a little line that curves around like that. And there you go. There's your drawing of Batso from Fortnite. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.